Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to plant Marjoram plant because this will give an immense smell and create a beautiful environment around you. Yeah, so if you pluck this one of the leaf and smell it, it's going to be amazing. So that is the sole reason why I bought this plant from the nursery, and I'm going to put in this pot where I made 2 holes also. Okay, and another one what I bought is mogra plant for the summer. So right now I bought this plant. It is giving a nice flower budding. If you see, look here, right? So it's fully grown. I'm going to transfer that into this pot and wait for the great flowers. So let's start the process. Stop current. Also I'm adding a little bit of, also I have poured half red soil into this, and I am putting little bit of compost as well. So the vermicompost is there, this, so that the plant grows and gets all the nice fertilizing nutrients for it to grow. Right, now let's transfer the plant over here, and so I'm tearing this off. Perfect, nice, lovely. You can handle this like that, open it with your hand, and beautiful roots, look at it, nice. We will put this inside, right? So this is how I put right now. I covered it with the cocoa peat and it is ready to bloom. If you see, there is a small flower coming. I'm going to water it and we are ready to go. And also I'm going to add some cocoa peat to the existing plants which have grown. If you remember, I have put the fenugreek seeds here, and look how beautiful the methi plant has come, right? So I'm going to add the cocoa peat in between this also, so that it gets the nice uh, dense food for it. I'm going to add coriander seeds. I'm going to add the cocoa peat and coriander seeds also, so that we see the immense growth. If you remember, also I've planted chilies, so the saplings of chilies, coriander, as well as the fenugreek has come. So right, that was 15 days ago, 15 to 20 days ago, and this is how fruitful it is looking. Right, perfect. I'm sure you remember what I did 15 days ago. So apart from that, also I have put the tomato seeds as well as the bottle gourd. So these are the two containers. This is the tomato seed and this is the bottle gourd. So these both I'm waiting for the saplings, right? Now let's go ahead and put the marjoram plant, and the red soil is in this. 1 scoop of red soil, perfect. 2 scoop of red, perfect. It's a lot of hard work, right? That's why they say no farmer, no food, right? They say no farmer, no food. There you go, nice, perfect. I forgot the scoop number. If you remember, mention in the comment below. Perfect. Perfect. So the marjoram plant is this, and we're going to put this marjoram plant in this pot, right? Let me make some space for it. Nice. Right. Let's put this into it. And if you see, I'm ready with the marjoram plant as well as the mogra plant. So both have been ready and set it. So let's pour down some water into it and let it flourish. All right. Thank you so much for staying tuned in. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.